Okay, just some random sort of pentatonic scales to get the difference in tone on my 3 bass guitars. Everyone's been asking for tone, so I think I have a decent enough recording quality with this iPhone video camera. This one is the Sadowsky preamp and the Barden pickups, Fender master-built jazz bass. By the way, all of them using Markley helix strings. Okay, next one is going to be the Spector bass. Spector NS4 with the EMG pickups, the stock EMG pickups. This one I like, it's really easy to play. I don't know why, I just love the action on this bass. Very nice sound this bass has. Finally, the new arrival is the Alembic Signature Electronics. Signature Electronics is not Series 1 or 2. It's a lot less expensive, but it still has the same tone, same pickups. Again, flat EQ on everything. Very different active sound from the others. A little bit closer to the Fender than the Spector, I think. Anyways, that's the tonal difference of the 3 basses.